Khordha is an administrative division of the state of Odisha. It was formed on 1 April 1993 by the division of former Puri district into Puri, Khordha and Nayagar. In the year 2000, the district name was changed to Khordha. The capital city of Bhubaneswar is located in this district. Khordha is the most urbanized of all the districts of Odisha. Besides that, Khordha is also famous for its beautiful places. So, in this video, I am going to show you some beautiful places of Khordha. Atri is situated in a village of Baghamari at a distance of 42 km from Bhubaneswar and nearly 14 km from Khordha. Atri is famous for its perennial hot spring. The hot spring is reputed to have medical properties, which are used both intensively and extensively for the cure of skin disease, and a temple dedicated to Lord Hatakeshwar. Mangaljodi Ecotourism located at a distance of 40 km from the district headquarters, a destination to get a peep into Mother Nature. It is an ecotourism destination on the northern banks of Chilika Lake in Odisha. The Birds Paradise hosts more than 300,000 birds in its mercy water, especially in winters. It is one of its kind ecosystem whose protection is optimized by sustainable lifestyle. Mangaljodi Ecotourism aims to inspire, inform and enable communities to turn ecosystem into a sustainable source of livelihood through well-managed low-impact tourism instead of exploiting them for short-term profits. The Peace Pagoda built by Kalinga Nipan Buddha Sangha in 1973 and unknown as Shanti stupa commemorates the change of heart of Emperor Ashoka and the journey of Buddhism to the nation. There are two temples at Dhauli, one of Vairanageshwar Mahadev and Dhavaleshwar Mahadev. The proclamation of Emperor Ashoka are recorded in Prakrit language in Brahmin script on the rock of Dhauli on the southeast end. The Khandagiri and Udayagiri cave relive the memories of the Kalinga Empire under the Jain Emperor Kharavela. There is about 40 rock-cut caves adorning the two hills separated by a road. Modern scholars are of the opinion that the Udayagiri cave complex was also a theatre complex. Emperor Kharavela was a staunch and a great patron of culture. Okay, let's end the video here. There's so many other places in Khordha that I cannot cover in one video. So me some love and we'll make the part second. Also subscribe to Desire Road and hit the bell icon to stay tuned with me. And keep watching Desire Road.